One of the fun things that we like to do is help people customize vehicles for their tastes. Lift kits, lowering kits, all kinds of fun things that we can do to help kind of personalize your vehicle to you. This particular truck, the customer was wanting to fit some larger rims and tires on and put a little lift kit on. And we said, you know what, that's just right up our alley. So he bought the lift kit, brought it down. We were really excited to put these new components on it and change the look of the vehicle for the customer. Customization is one thing that can help people have a greater sense of ownership to a vehicle, especially one that they really like. So if you are looking to customize your vehicle or maybe put some add-ons on that kind of set it apart from every other one running down the road, 3D Auto Repair is the place to go. We do appreciate you watching these videos. We look forward to seeing you at the shops. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.